Okay, good morning, student. Light part 2, lengths, and of that second lecture. 7 different position of object, among that 6 for convex lens, last for concave lens. That I have explained, and that is a main center part of this lesson. Full on 7 answer of different position. You have to write in table without using textbook. So slightly I will revise that sequence of the object. Sequence of the object means the position of the object they will give. 4 answer you have to write. Position of image, number 1. Second, image is exactly same. It is diminish or it is magnifying. Means size, position, size. Then inverted or erect. Then real or virtual. These 4 answer you have to write. So again that point we will revise, and then 3 very important formula for numericals. So in a sequence you have to remember, this is the lens, optical point, both the side focal point, double distance of focal point, means suppose it is 5, again 5, like that. Position number 1 infinite, position number 2 beyond 2f, position number 3 at 2f, position number 4 in between f and 2f, position number 5 at f, position number 6 within the focal length. Position of object, position of image, it is same, it is diminish or same or magnifying, it is inverted or erect. If it is inverted it will be real, if it is erect it is virtual. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the part of the answer. This is your question. Now here 7 position, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 separate, 7 separate. If you will understand this full table, so previous lecture which I have taken, that will be by heart. Okay, so one by one. First I will draw, then I will write. First at infinite, so at infinite, parallel beam of light, after refraction it meet at point. So inverted, diminish, inverted, diminish, inverted, so it is real, diminish, inverted, real at f. Second position, O, F to F, F to F. It is beyond 2F. Draw parallel line, pass through F, pass through F, draw parallel line. Compared to this, it is diminished, inverted, real in between F to F. First, second, now third. 8 to F, O, F to F. No need to manipulate it, the answer will come automatically. So this distance should be exact equal. There should not be the difference of 1 millimeter. So here 8 to F parallel, pass through F, from F pass through parallel, pass through F parallel. So at 2F to 2F, so same to same. Up arrow goes down, down arrow goes up. So it is inverted and it is real. And the position is at 2F. 1, 2, 3. Now it comes more closer. O, F, 2F, F. Now object is in between F to F. I am not writing here. This I will teach you, give the hint separately. This is the just revise. In between F to F, draw parallel, pass through F, or directly from A also you can take, or from F and parallel. Okay, so it is magnifying, larger, inverted. Inverted means real. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then at F. O, F, F. From F, if object is at F, draw parallel, pass it from F. Here you can't pass from F, so directly from O. So it will meet at infinite. At infinite. It is highly magnifying. It is inverted. It is real. Now, very important part. How to complete this table without diagram. With diagram, very easily you will get answers. You have to remember this sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first is infinite. Second position in red, beyond 2F. Third position, 8 to F. Fourth position in between 2F to F. F to 2F. And at F. Within the focal length. Any. Forget about last two. Object slowly come closer. First position, infinite, not measurable distance. Second, beyond 2F, suppose the focal length is 10, 10 plus 10, 20, more than 20, but measurable. Third, infinite, beyond 2F means after 2F, now in exactly at 2F. Now in between F and 2F anywhere. Then fifth position, exactly at 8, exactly at F. Sixth position, within the focal length in between F to O. First 5 sequence you have to be sure that it is in decreasing order. Infinite, beyond 2F, at 2F, in between F and 2F, at F, in between F and O. That is the sixth position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we have written. Now write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ulta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write ulta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This you will write here at F. This you will write here. This you will write same. This you will write here. See, when infinite, you are getting at F. When F, it get infinite. 2F to 2F. When beyond 2F, you are getting in between F and 2F. When it is between F and 2F, beyond 2F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Reversible answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here 8. 8 to F, 8 to F means same to same. Same to same, same height. Not more than object, not less than object, means same. First to diminish. Out of 5, write 5 in sequence, write in reverse sequence. Same to same means same. 2F to F, same. First to point image, then increase, but less than object, then increase. Now it become equal. It comes closer, again bigger. So magnifying, highly magnifying. Highly diminish, diminish, same, magnifying, highly magnifying. But you have to compare. Compare to object, more. Compare to object, more. Compare to object, same to same. Compare to object, both are less. Next, these all 5 are inverted. These all are inverted, and always inverted are real. Like me, you also can write without observing textbook. First 5 position, image position, reverse. All are inverted, all are real, first 5. Out of 5, middle one is same to same. First 2 is diminish, last 2 is magnifying. Now, this same side. Now this 2 you will change. So it is MEV. MEV. Magnifying, erect, virtual. When it comes closer, means in between F and O, here. So join this F. So from F it will pass, and from O it will pass. Same side, not inverted. So erect and virtual. Erect are always virtual and highly magnifying. These 2 I have changed. Now I will change this. So instead of magnifying, DEV, Dev for concave lens. This one is for, this all 6 for convex. This is for concave. For concave, anywhere where the object, you will find the image, Dev, DEV, diminish, erect, virtual. Diminish, D for diminish, E for erect, V for virtual. Always. Now, suppose you have to write, distinguish between the convex lens and concave lens. Convex, concave. First, middle thicker, middle thinner. From the edge it is thin, from the edge it is thick. To distinguish, third distinguish. Here you will get both the type of image, inverted, real, virtual, erect, both. Here you can get MEV. Here you can get DEV. This is converging. This is converging. This is diverging. So this power is positive, this power is negative. That is the next topic. How to get the image in this? This is O, this is F, this is F. Anywhere, suppose the object is here, you just cross, it will cross to this F, not opposite F, and this cross to O. So always this, always diminish, erect, virtually. Again, here is the object, draw parallel, pass through F, this side F, because it is diverging, then directly to the O. So intersection point. So these are the 7 position of object. First 6 for convex, 7th is for concave, and these 5 you have to write reverse. First to diminish, last to magnifying, middle one is same. All are inverted, all are real. Then change this, because when it comes more closer, same side, where which side is the object, that side is the image. And MEV, magnifying, erect, virtual. Sixth position, MEV, MEV. And concave lens, always you will find image position on same side where there is a object. Object image same side of the lens, not opposite side. Till here 5, opposite side. Here to here, here to here. Secondly, for concave lens, always same side, and there you have to remember diminish, erect, virtual. Now there are 2 table in the textbook, it is given. Orally you can write. Orally you can write full 7 position, image position. It is same, diminish or magnifying. It is inverted or erect. It is virtual or real. Inverted is always real. When it is not inverted, it is erect. It is virtual. Inverted real we can catch on a screen. Virtual erect we cannot catch on a screen, means on a screen we cannot take the image picture. Okay, so 3 combination, inverted are always real, real are always inverted, and real inverted can be catch on a screen. Virtual always erect, erect always virtual, and virtual erect cannot be catch on a screen. So that to distinguish, and these two distinguish: thicker, thinner, thinner, thicker, converging, diverging. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here MEV is possible, here DEV is possible. Here all type of image possible. Same, magnifying, diminish. Here only diminish. Here both type of image possible. Inverted, erect, real, virtual. Here only erect, virtual. Follow. So by comparing, when you will learn, no, it will be more easy. Now, very important topic, and then after 3 formula. Cartesian sign. Compared to graph, intersection of horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis is known as origin. So it is O for optical point for us. So if it is a convex lens, O will be the same. If it is a concave lens, 3 marks for 6 point. In this full textbook, for 3 marks question, this question are asked maximum time in SSC board, because exactly 6 point, half mark. Each and every questions in a science 1 and 2 will be of half mark. Every 1 mark you have to write 2 point for half. Now listen. Horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis, intersection is origin. But now that origin is a optical point O for the lens, for both the lens, convex, concave. Now, every time we have to measure all the distance from here only. From optical point, every distance should be measured from O. From O, like graph, on right side it is positive, on left side it is negative. So right side positive, left side negative. From O, suppose you will measure upside, it is positive. Upside, positive. Downside, negative. First point is clear. Every measurement we will measure from O. Starting point should be O. Optical point, not origin. Optical point. Wherever the lens, no, from that middle point we will start. Left, right, up, down. Right positive, left negative. Up positive, down negative. 4 points. From where to start? 5th point. And in 7 diagram you have observed that always I am drawing lens in middle, object on left side. Image may be on left or right, that is not in our hand, but always object always on left side. We have to start measuring from O, 2.4 direction, 4.6 point. These are the Cartesian sign convention, means sign rules. On that rule, we will calculate require things, the distance of image, inverted real, height. Now, magnification. Magnification is denoted by M is equal to height of image divided by height of object. Suppose image is object is here, by this passing this, by passing this. So this is object, this is image. So object height starting 1, image height ending 2. So h2 by h1. So image divided by and from O, this distance is u, initial distance. This distance is v, so also it is u by v by u. Magnification means what? In table I have written diminish. How much diminish? Half, one third, one fourth, one tenth. I have written magnifying means double, triple, 5 times, 10 times. How much? So that we can find out. Suppose image is 20 centimeter, an object is 10 centimeter. So by cancelling you will get two answers. So image is double. Suppose object is 20 and image is 10. So 0, 0 cancel 1 by 2 means 0.5 means half image you are getting. Follow? So definition of magnification. Comparison of image with respect to object, that is a magnification. Comparison of image with whom? Object, with real. Compared to this it is double, so magnification is double. Compared to this it is half, so it is 50% diminish. So by distance also you can measure, or by height also you can measure, because see this you can see by red, I can show you, it is a similarity, that is why. So either you take the ratio of height, or either height, or either height or either base, both will be the same because the triangle is similar. This is 90-90, this is correct. So magnification is height 1 divided by height 2, or distance of image from O divided by distance of image, distance of object from O. Now from answer of M, we can judge. What we can judge? If both are equal, M can be equal to 1. If this is greater, so the ratio will be greater than 1. If denominator is greater, magnification is less than 1. I am not talking about the sign, plus or minus. Forget plus and minus. Even if it is minus, don't count plus and minus. First, just count the number. If both are same, 10 by 10, so you will get 1. So when M value is 1, object image are same to same. Means your image is of same height. Next. If this is 20, this is 10, so you are getting two answers. M is greater than 1. M is greater than 1. M is greater than 1 means magnifying. When M is less than 1, when M is less than 1, here 10, here 20, 0, 0 cut 1 by 2. ले लो, आपका है, आया है 5 मिनट में आता आओ आओ कुर्सी ले, आइए 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 हाँ no problem. हाँ, so if both are equal, so you will get the answer 1. So image and object exactly equal. Sorry. So when answer is more than 1, it is magnifying. Answer is less than 1, it is diminished. Correct. Only numerical calculation. Now sign. If m is positive, if m is negative, it is inverted, real, it is virtual, erect. From the answer of m, you can judge 5 answer. Means the nature of the image. If answer of m is, forget about plus and minus. First, just see the number, because in numerical that you have to judge that which is the nature of this. So the ratio is 1, object image same. If m is greater than 1, it is magnifying. If m is less than 1, it is diminished. If m is positive, forget about the numbers, plus 7, so it is inverted virtual. First you just compare the number, then sign. Now don't consider minus 7, it is less than 1, so it will be diminished. No, 7, number only first time you have to compare. So when you will compare the number, if 1, then same, less than 1, diminish, more than 1, magnifying. Then compare the symbol. If it is negative, it is inverted, real, can catch on a screen. If it is positive, virtual, erect, and cannot catch on a screen. And third formula of this chapter, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. How to find the focal length of a given lens? So this is the optical point. From here focal point is 1, focal point is 2, but that you have to calculate. The object is here, image is here, so from this much it is u, this much is v. From the distance of object and from distance of image, if you will substitute in the formula, you can find focal length. This is small f. If you will write capital F, it is a focal point. Small f is a focal length. So this formula and 6 Cartesian sign convention. This is very important for the numericals. If you know this very well, 100%. Shreya, how much minute remain, beta?
So it's going to end less than 1 minute.
Okay, so if you know these 3 formula, then only you can do the numericals. And in maths question, how they are giving the numbers, that same to same number you are utilizing. But in lens numerical, whatever the numbers they have given, that same to same you can't utilize. You have to consider that it is plus or it is minus. Okay, so that you have to decide. If 20 is given, but in the sum you will write minus 20 or plus 20. That according to the position, according to the Cartesian, according to the power of the lens, you have to identify. So I have written the message that you give feedback, that I have to continue with this interesting topic of science or not. But till only Hayat have given the feedback. So I need feedback from all the students. So please give the feedback so I can improve my lecture, and even I can come to know that you are interested in this topic or what. See, without textbook, when I have explained, so that same thing without textbook also you can grasp all the things. Table you can write, how to understand the formula. How next will be the numerical lecture for part 1 and part 2. Together we will complete. Correct? Now, how much time remain, bacha? Shreya?
So it's going to end.
Okay.